Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today it is Wednesday and as you can see I'm down $52 on the day. I was kinda down bad this day. I was down like 1k at worst, and I'll show you guys what happened and what trades I took as usual, and also my buys for the day. So today I came to the charts a little bit late. I think I came home like 10:20 or something, yeah, around that time. So there was a possible short up here. We made an SMT with ES. However, it's not really the best decision in my opinion to try to short all-time highs, since yeah, we can make SMTs, but we don't really have anything stopping price from going up. So it's better to let us fall into the structure to bullish PYs and then catch longs. At least in my opinion, that's how I like to trade all-time highs. So what happened then? As you can see, we had Asia right here. So Asia accumulated first and made a move up. London mostly accumulated, then made a little bit move up, and then pre-market New York came in and made a move up. So this could be seen as an AMD, or the power of 3. So we have accumulation, manipulation, distribution. But I wasn't on the shorts and I wouldn't have taken the short either way. But what I was looking for then was to come into these bullish areas. Like the thing I really wanted to see was to come into this 4-hour untapped fair value gap, which also had this breaker support and had the 0.5 level of this range. So I want to come down, then make a SMT assist and catch along. That was my idea. However, I got a little bit impatient since I saw this as a market maker buy model also. We go down, and then we came into this 15 minute fair value gap and swept its, yeah, that's Asia low. We swept Asia low and came into this 15-minute imbalance. So when I saw that, then we made, like, I shouldn't have taken this long since it was so choppy. We chopped, but I also saw this as a possible AMD in short time frames. We accumulate and then final manipulation, but we did already sweep, so this could be seen as a bearish AMD as well. So not really something to go off. And when it chops like this, it's not clear that it want to reverse, but big fast move down, sweep. This made an SMT with ES. We made the inversion of this 1 minute, which was basically all I went for. So I decided to try, when we closed here and gone down a little bit, I decided to try a long, something like this, I believe. Whoops, yeah. And I de-risked. I only used 5 micros, or I was supposed to use 5 micros to only risk like $200 since I wasn't too comfortable with the trade. However, for some reason, Topstep had put on ES contracts and not the micro ES, the ES big one. So I ended up taking 5 big ES contracts, and it almost immediately hit SL, which I have an automatic SL at $300. So I was down $330 for the day, and I got quite pissed, and my first instinct was just, okay, I want to make this back, this amount. So I went long. I will show you here. I went long again, 10 micros, and we did disrespect this. However, I did zoom into the 30-second and see that we respected this bullish and made a big move up. So I went 10 MEQs long right here and had my TP like up here, I believe. And that was mostly just to make my money back and make some on the day. So already right here, my mind wasn't where it should have been, since I was just focused on the dollars. And once we made this move and then chopped, then made a big move down, I was very certain we were gonna go down again. So once we made this move up, I went out like $30 up. Since I wasn't confident in long anymore, and I've seen this play out so many times, it gives you hope when it goes up here and then it just straight up dump. So I wanted to preserve my capital, and I was still down $300 on the day, and since it was a loss that I feel like I shouldn't have taken, I just want to make the money back, which caused me to take some bad trades, like no setup trades. I took a short here. I ended up exiting once we made this big close in the 30-second, and then going long. And then that hit SL, so then I was like 1k down on the day. Then I took a short right here, went out here, and I was down like $300 on the day. Then I took another short up here, and TP here, which made me, so I'm down $52, and then I exited. I locked myself out, and I'm happy that I wasn't that greedy that I want to go plus, so just $52. I was fine with being $52 down on the day. But this trade wasn't really the best. Yes, we had SMT here, but it was quite clear that we wanted to take these stacked lows when we make this fast move down. However, I was a little bit... the thing that made me take this long and not be patient and wait for this 4 hour was that yesterday I was waiting too long, and we just didn't sweep the liquidity that I thought we would sweep, and went up. So I had that in mind, which is not the right thing. I really shouldn't have, since today is a different day and we make different moves in the market. For example, yesterday we had 2 bullish SMTs which made protected lows. We hadn't taken all-time high yet. So we had this high and all-time high to take, or this high and all-time high. And we also had a data low which we took. So today was very different from yesterday. So this was just a rushed position which I shouldn't have taken. And this is the one that I maybe could have taken. We swept all the lows. We came into the 4 hour bullish. Then we made a clean 1 minute cyst, which also made an inversion. So enter, like right here, we close and then wait a little bit, enter. Or you could wait for the retracement, but I probably wouldn't have done that. I would enter right here and with TP around here. And as you can see, we wouldn't have hit. Most likely SLB, since when we make this move up, probably gonna have SLB. So yeah, today wasn't really a good day. Not that many opportunities. I know a lot of people made money today, but I don't like to trade how they trade, like just tap into a fair value gap and enter. So yeah, for me, I shouldn't have taken a trade today. So some to learn from today, and I just find it hard sometimes when to be patient and when to maybe be a little bit more loose on the entry or stuff like that, since it's just based on your intuition, and if you press buy or sell, that's all that matters really. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.